Russell, welcome to carburetorsamore.com, 832-221-4007. I couldn't test your carburetor because there's too many pieces missing and stuff, so I'm just showing you what I got. You're missing a gasket here. You're missing, this here is stuck and frozen, so I'm going to have to fix that. Also, the air cleaner tie down is missing. I need to know if you have one or not. If you don't have one, I have one here. It's a little bit extra money to put it to bolt it on there because I have to do a little bit of machining work to it. But there's your carburetor. We got it. I got your extra parts here. And next time you see it, it'll be running good. So I need you to contact me and let me know the email, phone, whatever, about what you want me to do with whether you've got the air cleaner tie down, and need to know if you want it powder coated or not. So it says yes on the paperwork. So I just need to know if that's what you want. All right. It's carburetorsamore.com, 832-221-4007.